by meditating regularly, we create a situation where our life is established on the result of meditation, the goal of meditation. You don't have to meditate all the time. All our principles are to do less and accomplish more. No? That is skill in life.
Thank you.
What happens is this. When we are regular in meditation, we are exposing our nervous system to regular hours of deep rest. Regular hours of deep rest. All those who sleep in time and wake in time and eat in time, act in time, rest in time, those where the life is regulated, that regularity of life, of activity and rest, regular habits, they contribute to good health. It's a general experience. So when we meditate morning and evening, apart from the physiological changes to which the body gets regulated, and in this way builds up the momentum of a very flexible nervous system where adaptability to environmental influences is maximum. It has already been found that the reaction time becomes faster. This is on the level of psychology. And with this, the basis of this is change in the metabolic rate and change in the biochemistry of the system. So these basic changes brought about by meditation produce an overall influence of stability. And that is very important to cultivate.